Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to add Excel file in ArcGIS. So this tutorial, we basically learn how to add Excel file if we have the point features. So you can see here, this is our boundary. This is state of Tripura, and we have several point feature. So if I double click here, if I change the symbol, you can see these are my the study point, or these are my point features, and this is my the polygon. Okay, so if I click here and go to the open attribute table, you can see the feature is point, the state is Tripura, district name, tehsil name, and site name. Okay, so these are the important feature that actually contained with this I can say point features. If I want to do different cartograms technique like point features, like bar diagram, pie charts, or other things, then we record the data. But this table do not have data. Yes, we can put data by the add field. Okay, but if I have already Excel file, for example, I want to show this Excel file. This is my Excel file. You can see Tripura district, Tehsil, everything is there, and this Excel file actually contain lot of the information. So if I want to bring this information into this ArcGIS, then there is a two process. One is individually we can join table here. So after the add field, I can individually insert the values, or there is another the technique, that is the add of this Excel file into this point feature. Then after that we can do any kind of cartographic technique. Okay, so before adding this Excel file with the ArcGIS, at first we should save this Excel file as a .csv, that means comma delimited file format, because the comma delimited file format the accepted file format in ArcGIS. Okay, so right click here, file, then go to save as and browse. I have a folder, I have already created this, and this folder is basically located desktop, and the file will be the Excel file. Okay, now just from the save as type drop down and search it comma delimited.csv. This comma delimited.csv file. Okay, then click on save, then click on yes. So my file format changes into .csv. Okay, now I can go to the Excel file. Okay, now I want to add that Excel file with this point file. Okay, if I click on this open attribute, you can see only site name, so these variables are included here. Now I want to add that Excel file, so click here, right click, then click on the join and related. Okay, so here you can see join, just click here join, a new dialog box will open. Now choose the field in this layer that the join will be based on. So from the drop down, you should select, there is a total 1 2 3 4 5 the 5 layer actually come. Actually this is the layer which actually contain with this point feature. Okay, so here I want to the merge, or you can say the validate the data, that is the tehsil name. Okay, so tehsil name actually I select from this point feature, and from the choose the table to join to this layer, that means that Excel file, that table actually I want to join with this point feature na? So from the drop down menu, or you just click here this folder. So you can see here this is desktop and Excel file. I save the Tripura Excel file as a .csv within this Excel file folder. So if I have to show this is the desktop Excel file. Okay, so you can see here this is the Tripura.csv file. So select this, click OK. So now you can see choose the field in the table to based on the join. So here the table is tehsil name, and from this drop down menu I also select the tehsil name. So both the name will be same. That means from point feature layer, that should be Tehsil name, and from the table, that should be Tehsil name. If similarly, if you select this site name from the layer, you should select site name from the table also. Okay, so both will be the same. So if there is any difference, then your table will not uh, match to each other. Okay, so this is the Tehsil name. So after selecting these two, just click on this validate join. So validation will be done. So after the validation, close it, then click on OK. So after that, you just click here, go to open attribute table. Now you can see from my table, if I bring here, so you can see here different values. Okay, if I go, you can see that all the values actually come. Okay, all the values which actually contained in the this Excel file, all values automatically come to my table. So if I check here, if I go to any, I think, properties, if I go any kind of the cartographic technique, then I can do different cartographic technique on the basis of this the value. So for example, I want to see symbology. If I go to the categorize, okay, and if I select the value like NA, okay, so add all values, I can take I can go to chart. Okay, if I select pi, sorry, bar, okay, and if I select this NG, okay, if I click apply, if I click OK, you can see these are the output of result. So this is actually simple technique. I actually try to want to see, I want to show you. So this is a simple tutorial. By this, you can, by this way, you can easily join any Excel file into ArcGIS. So thank you for watching my channel, and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more update. Thank you again.